Hi, how are you? Today we are going to make crispy wheat flour onion instant dosa recipe. It's healthy to eat and it can be eaten as a snack, as breakfast, or really anytime you're in the mood. I am excited for it and let's see the ingredients. To make crispy wheat flour dosa or crepe, we need 1 teaspoon of salt or adjust as per your taste. And we need 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 2 to 3 sliced small green chilies. If you want you can add extra depending upon your spicy levels. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 1 sprig of chopped curry leaves. Take 1 medium bowl to mix all ingredients. After mixing all ingredients we will add oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and pinch of Asafetida or Inguva, seasoning prepared by frying fenugreek seeds and Asafetida or Inguva in oil. We can see later in this video. Now add salt. Add wheat flour. Add rice flour. Add chopped curry leaves. Add cumin or jeera seeds. Add minced ginger. Add sliced chilies. Mix all ingredients well. Total we need 4 cups of water and add 1 cup of water to the mixture and mix well. Again, add 1 cup of water and mix well. Finally, add remaining 2 cups of water and mix well. If you see the batter, it is perfectly mixed well and we are left with the seasoning of oil, mustard seeds and Asafetida or Inguva. Let's take a look on how to make the seasoning. It's very simple. Take one small pan and pour 1 teaspoon of oil. Add fenugreek seeds and few pinches of Asafetida or Inguva. Add the seasoning into the batter and mix well. After that, take rectangular shaped dosa pan, otherwise you can still use regular dosa pan. Keep the flame at high. I personally heat up the pan first, then put the oil in and after it's heated up pour batter across the pan. Add few drops of oil. And add some onions and wait until it turns golden brown color and then flip it. After 10 to 15 seconds, take the dosa and serve it with coconut chutney, or you can eat directly. Hope you enjoyed it and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thanks for watching video. I will be back with another easy recipe. Until then, stay safe.